Hello everyone, this is Demon Star here. I'm with Bree, and we're going to be doing our DIY kit now. So, which is, looks really funky. It's actually a DIY Mysterious Chorus Syrup. The popular DIY kit contains 3 kinds of syrup. The red one has a strawberry flavor, blue one is soda, and the yellow is lemon. We mix them together, they mysteriously change to grape. So,
what's up, all my beautiful green babies? I am back with Aurora to do the DIY kit. You should have just waited to read it till I started recording.
Yeah, but
do you need water at all?
No, I have my.
Well, no, for this.
Oh, no.
Okay.
We don't need water actually.
What's it called again?
Mysterious Chorus Syrup.
Basically, you mix 2 flavors.
3 flavors. Because there's a strawberry flavor, there's a soda flavored, which is the blue one, and lemon, which is the yellow.
And then it turns, if you mix them all together, they turn into a
sweet grape flavor. So, let's not fuck this one up.
By the way, thank you Tokyo Treat for making this in English and us trying to find videos online or just take wild guesses. That's what the fuck we're doing.
Yeah. We can thank that one.
It's like they heard us say that. Oh my god, they look like Freezy Pops! Look! They look like liquefied Freezy Pops. They feel really weird though.
Ooh, and they're cold too. They're cold.
Then we got a little like spatula.
Yeah, mix them together and if we wanted to try them individually. So, this is the soda. The blue is the soda. This one is the strawberry in the middle, and then the yellow is the lemon. Alright. So, let's see. Which one do you want first?
What, are we going to take a little sample of each?
Yeah.
I don't care, just pick one.
Alright, we'll do strawberry first. I have high hopes.
Skizzies.
I have high hopes for you, strawberry. Let's see. Oh god. We don't want syrup all over. Oh god. Oh god, it's sticking. That's fun.
Do we put it all in?
I don't know. We could put a little bit in and see what. Jesus.
Whoa, do you guys see this? Yo. I mean, does it say to put the whole thing in?
No, but
just put some. Because maybe you
I'm trying to put some of it in and then. Okay.
Oh god!
This isn't working. Guys, this isn't working.
There we go.
Ooh.
That is
really good.
So taffy, honey, like it's crazy.
I can taste the strawberry. It's really good.
Okay.
Alright. Lemon. Oh boy. Me and lemon aren't very the best of friends. So this is gonna be fun. Lemon, try not to kill me, okay? Okay. Here we go. Fuck me. Fucking things stick again. Your scissors are gonna end up being sticky, I can tell you that right now. Okay. Oh, this one's a little bit more jelly-like. Okay. Well, not, you know.
Not nearly as.
Okay. That's what she said. Oh, God. Oh! Yep. That's why I don't like lemon.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you want to...
Hi, Juju! You're making your appearance. You hear us talking and you said make appearance.
Come here!
Oh, come here. Juju, everybody.
Back.
Juju's back.
Julia Roberts made an appearance. We must be pretty special if Julia Roberts interrupted our show.
Alright, go ahead. Go be free.
I'm definitely washing my hands like crazy because they still smell like
discovered. Alrighty. Get this. And you can do the honors of mixing it into grape. Okay. This one's gonna be more. That one's gonna be more.
I thought the strawberry was really good.
Oh, there's the soda. I was about to say, where's the soda? And then, whoo! Hits ya.
Okay.
And she's gonna do the honors of mixing.
It just looks really weird. Oh gosh. Doesn't look what? Oh, it's purple. It's purple.
Oh, there we go.
Looks like slime.
We just made purple slime, you guys. That's what it looks like.
It's not nearly as. It's hard to tell because it's kind of like see-through.
Yeah.
But you can tell it's like stuff. It does. It's not purple as it shows there, but I think that's if you dump the entire packet. So
Probably. Really did it.
I'm gonna just go in and take a big. I can.
Yep.
Tastes like grape. It's kind of scary.
How that goes.
And it just instantly. It's not like you taste a little bit of each. What is this fuckery?
What is this sorcery?
Do you want to try this with him? With the fleet?
It's up to you.
Because I can find a way for you to like zip those up.
Yeah. I like this. This DIY kit I enjoyed. And there's
It's very messy, but
and there's instructions. Instructions.
thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just so excited. Like I really hope with next month there's like a lot of Pokemon. Lots of Pokemon.
That's gonna kind of be an issue with the three of us in Pokemon.
Well, he's gonna like want all the variables and stuff, but he just because he enjoyed doing it when Dad forgot to cancel it and we had to take the one up to school.
Mm-hmm.
He enjoyed doing that. He goes, I want to do this with you in a row. I'm like, that's kind of awesome.
That's Jeff for you. I told him I guess he can join us on next one.
Yeah, I saw. Because I knew with that one, and he saw it, he goes, oh my god.
Wow. So that was our DIY kit. And it looks like Bree's gonna enjoy the grape syrup now that we made.
Look at this skill.
And hopefully you'll stick with us for next month's box. Like
next
we were
month
talking about.
Maybe the last one for the summer. Because I don't know if I want to do an August one just because I don't know when it's gonna come in and I don't want to risk.
Yeah.
So.
You don't want to risk it coming while you're out. Cool.
Yeah,
So,
and then my parents opting to sending me something right away. So yeah.
Yeah. Which is perfectly fine.
I think that'd be fun to do the three of us as the last one.
Yeah. Because sadly, July is going to be my last one. So. Alright. Oh! Before we go, Julia's going to come back over here. Make her guest appearance.
Don't show them. No one needs to see it.
No one needs to see your butt. They want to see your face. Your lovely, lovely, lovely face.
Hey Julia, look at this.
Oh god, are we going to have the cat actually take... Hi, baby.
No, she's not gonna take it.
No.
I just wanted to see what she would do.
She's like, get me away from me. Alright. And with that, her walking off, that's it for us. So, bye guys.